Why is method chaining important in JavaScript development? Imagine being able to perform several actions on an object with just one smooth, continuous line of code. That's what method chaining makes possible in JavaScript. It might seem simple, but it has a big impact on how we write and understand code. When you work with functions and return values, method chaining helps keep things clean and easy to follow. Instead of writing multiple lines to do different things, you can connect methods together seamlessly. This is especially useful when working with objects that need multiple updates or configurations. In JavaScript, many built-in methods like array functions or DOM manipulation methods are designed to support chaining. For example, when you call a method that returns the object itself, you can immediately call another method on that same object. This pattern relies on functions returning the current object, often called this. When a method returns this, it means you can keep calling other methods without breaking the flow. It's like passing a baton from one function to the next without dropping it. This approach makes code more concise. Instead of creating temporary variables or writing repetitive code, you can do everything in one go. For instance, if you want to add a class, set some text, and append an element to the DOM, chaining these methods keeps your code short and clear. It also makes it easier to see all the steps at once, which helps with understanding what your code does. From a programming perspective, return values are key. When functions return the object itself, it creates a fluent interface. This pattern is common in libraries and frameworks because it encourages a natural way of writing code that feels intuitive. It aligns well with how functions work in JavaScript, especially when dealing with asynchronous operations or complex data transformations. Think about array methods like map, filter, and reduce. These methods return new arrays or values that can be immediately used for further processing. Chaining these methods allows you to perform multiple transformations in a single statement, making your code more efficient and easier to read. In short, method chaining is important because it makes code shorter, more readable, and easier to maintain. It encourages a style where functions return the object itself, enabling smooth, continuous operations. This pattern is especially helpful when working with functions that modify objects or handle asynchronous tasks. It leverages JavaScript's flexibility with return values and functions to help you write cleaner, more expressive code.